Welcome to the art of sushi making. Today, we'll learn how to create delicious sushi rolls from scratch. Start by preparing the sushi rice. Wash the rice thoroughly and cook it with the right amount of water. While the rice is cooking, slice fresh fish and vegetables into thin strips for the filling. Once the rice is ready, season it with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt to achieve the perfect sushi rice texture. Lay a sheet of seaweed on a bamboo mat, spread a layer of sushi rice, and add the filling ingredients. Roll the sushi tightly using the bamboo mat, then slice it into bite-sized pieces with a sharp knife. Serve the sushi rolls with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger for a complete sushi experience. Experiment with different fillings and toppings to create your unique sushi creations at home. Practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't flawless. Enjoy the process. Now you're ready to impress your friends and family with your homemade sushi skills. Happy sushi making!
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Your support means the world to us, and it really helps the channel grow. Until next time, stay inspired, stay curious, and keep chasing your passions. This is Simple Cook, signing off.